Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will give you a clear idea on which app to choose. So here I'm gonna compare two note-taking applications, namely Evernote and UpNote. So to clear your doubts, I will divide this video sections into 5 different sections. So firstly, before starting, let me show you the user interface of this both note-taking applications. So right now you can see on the left side we have the Evernote user interface. So on your computer you will be seeing this kind of user interface, and on the right side we have the UpNote. So if you're using a computer, then you will see this kind of user interface, and the mobile user interface looks smaller in size, but it will be almost same for the bigger screen sizes. So let us begin with the first sections. So on the first we have the version availability. So in case of Evernote, you will get a free version as well as a paid version, and also in case of Evernote you will get a web versions also. So on the other side, in case of UpNote, you will get a free as well as the paid version, and here web version is not available. So on the second list we have the multi-OS platform support. So in case of Evernote, it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android. And similarly, in case of the UpNote also, it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android. On the third list we have the data syncing availability. So in case of Evernote, it's available for computers as well as smartphone. That is, you can sync your entered data directly from your computer or from your smartphones. And similarly, in case of UpNote also, it's available for both computer as well as smartphones. On the fourth list we have the number of devices that can be connected. So here I will divide into two parts, namely free and the paid versions. So in case of Evernote free, you get options to use only 2 devices at the same time if you're using free versions, and if you're using a Evernote paid version, then you can connect to the multiple devices at the same time. And whereas in your UpNote free version, you can connect to multiple devices, and in case of UpNote paid also, you can connect to the multiple device. So on the fifth list, limitations in free version and benefits in paid versions. So once again, here I will divide into 2 different sections, that is free and the paid versions. So we'll begin with the Evernote. So in case of Evernote free, the first limitation is that only 2 devices can be connected, and the second limitation is you can upload only 60 MB per month. So this is also one limitations. And if you use our Evernote paid, so the first benefits you will gonna get is multi-device can be connected, and the second benefit you will be gonna get is that you will not be limited to the 60 MB per month. That is, the upload size will not be limited to the 60 MB per month. So these are the limitations and the benefits you will gonna get on the Evernote free as well as in the Evernote paid. And on the other side, in case of the UpNote free versions, only 15 notes can be created, whereas in case of UpNote paid, the first benefits you're gonna get is unlimited notes can be created if you use a UpNote paid version, and the second benefit you are gonna get is lifetime subscriptions. So UpNote provides monthly subscriptions, yearly subscription, and there is one extra subscription which is a lifetime subscription. That means once you pay, so you don't need to pay it again and again if you don't feel like paying for monthly or yearly, then you can get the lifetime subscriptions for yourself in case of UpNote. But this lifetime subscription is not available in case of Evernote, so kindly note this thing. And one more thing I would like to include in this section is, in case of Evernote, handwriting facility available for both smartphone and computers, whereas in case of UpNote, handwriting facility only available for iOS devices like iPhone and iPads only. So this is also one little limitation in case of UpNote applications. Whether you are using a UpNote free or paid versions, handwriting facility is only available for the iOS device. So if you're using Android devices or Windows computers, Mac computers or Linux computers, then you won't be able to get the handwriting facility. So I think it's a little drawback, but hope UpNote includes it in the coming tests. So after discussing these 5 important points, we have come to the conclusions now that which one should I choose, right? So in my opinion, if you want more features and don't mind paying monthly or yearly subscriptions, then I'll definitely recommend you to go for the Evernote, because it has more features to offer for you compared to the UpNote. But if you are okay of not getting any extra features and you don't like always paying monthly or yearly subscriptions, then you can definitely go for UpNote. So I have recently opted for the UpNote lifetime subscriptions, and I'm totally happy and quite satisfied because the features it is providing is enough for me. So in your case it might be different, so if you want more features, then I will definitely recommend to Evernote. But if you can live with the features that is being offered by the UpNote, then you can definitely go for the UpNote. So in my opinion, I have make you everything clear for you with not apps to choose for yourself. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.